Trendelenburg position produced decrease in all of the following except respiratory rate. Question number 106. Which of the following phenomena closely associate with the slow wave sleep? Sleepwalking. Question number 107. If the single spinal nerve is cut, the area of tactile loss is always greater than the area loss of painful sensation because degree of overlap and of fiber carrying tactile sensation much less. Question number 108. Message and application limitation of painful area in the body relieve pain due to inhibition by large myelinated affected fibers. Question number 109. Which of the following produce the least damage to blood element? Membrane oxygenator. Question number 110. In a fetus, insulin secretion begin by third month. Which of the following hormone is an example of peptide hormone? Is parathrombin. Question number 112. In the intrapullular pressure is negative both during inspiration and expiration because thoracic cage and lungs are elastic structure. Question number 113. Sympathetic potential can be recorded by microelectrode. Question number 114. The ECG of 40-year-old male was recorded using standard bipolar limb leads. The sum of voltage of these three standard leads was found in 5 millivolts. The indicated increased cardiac muscles. Question number 115. The velocity of blood maximum in the large vein. Which of the following method is not used to measurement the body fluid volumes? Is 1251 albumin blood volume. Question number 117. Group A nerve fiber are most susceptible to pressure. Question number 118. The phantom limb secretion are the best described by law of projection. Then question number 119. The following statement is true regarding about SA node except is located in the right border as ascending aorta. Question number 120. The type of hemoglobin that has least affinity for 2,3 diphosphoglycerate is HbF. Question number 121. The cellular and fragile movement is carried out by the following except myosin. Question number 112. Hem is converted into bilirubin mainly in spleen. Question number 123. The normal CSF glucose level in normoglycemic adult is 40 to 70. Question number 124. Which of the following molecules is used to cell signaling? NO. Question number 125. Osteocastal are inhabited by calcitonin. Question number 126. CO2 is majorly transported in the arterial blood as bicarbonate. Question number 127. Both vitamin K and C are involved in post-transitional modification. Question number 120. The main site of bicarbonate reabsorption is paroxysmal convoluted tubules. Question number 129. The membrane protein of calithrin is involved in receptor mediated endocytosis. Question number 130. The paravehicular pathway from the lateral genital nucleus to visual cortex the most sensitive for the stillness of a color contrast. The fibers from the contractile nasal hemiretina project following layers is lateral geniculated nucleus is 1, 4 and 6. Question number 132. All the endothelial cell produce Modubin except was found in cerebral microcirculation. Question number 133. SA node act as a pacemaker of the heart because of the fact that it generative impulse. The first physiological response to high environmental temperature is vasodilatation. Next question. All of the following fact normal increase length of ventricular cardiac muscles fiber except lying to standing change posture. Question number 136. The vasodilatation produced by carbon dioxide is maximum one of the following is brain. Question number 137. Which of the following statement true regarding about water reabsorption in tubules? Is A. The bulk of water reabsorption occur secondary and sodium reabsorption. Question number 138. Urinary concentrating ability kidney increase by ECF volume constriction. Question number 139. Distribution of blood flow is mainly regulated by arterioles. Question number 140. Which of the following reduction of arterial oxygen tension occur in hypoventilation? Which of the following lower motor neurons lesions are associated with the facial paralysis? Question number 142. Which of the following statement can be regarded the primary action of inhibition? Inhibit secretion of FSH. Which of the following family of chemical mediators of inflammation and lipoxin belong to arachidonic acid metabolic? Question number 144. The main excreted neurotransmitter is glutamate. Question number 145. During cardiac cycle opening, the aortic valve take place at the end of isovolumetric constriction. Question number 140. The patient having acute cardiac failure do not show edema because their fall of systematic capillary hydrostatic pressure. And question number 147. During accumulation of high altitude of the following takes place except shift of oxygen dissociation curve to the left. Question number 148. Duchenne muscles dystrophy is a disease of sacrolaminal protein.